We have for everyone Hampton Sun. Where luxury skincare meets the glamour of self-tanning. So if you go to the Ritz-Carlton, Neiman Marcus, or Saks Fifth Avenue, Salvatore has placed his products there, and they're that Salvatore, who is the president and founder of Hampton Sun, has done for us is give to us your last and final chances. We only have, I think, 1,800 of these. Of not one, which normally sells for $36 a piece to $40 a piece, depending on what retailer you go. Not one full size of his #1 sunless tanning mist, but 2. He didn't stop there. He's also going to give us the hydrating aloe continuous mist. That's all organic, natural aloe. That's all it is, for $13.30. So everybody wants a fast, easy tan, but we want to look like we've got a real tan, not a fake tan, not like somebody sprayed us with a spray tan. We want something that's luxury. We want something that smells amazing. It's not going to streak. Gives everybody a custom color. I love it. So if you want it, $13.30 gets it home. Salvatore, how are you? How are you, my friend?
I am well. Oh my gosh, this is great. So excited to be back. We get 2 today. We made self-tanning so much fun and easy. You said it earlier.
Yeah.
It's easy. It's really one step. In the past, you have to exfoliate. You'd have to put Vaseline and moisturize around the knuckles and the lips and the elbows. You don't have to do that with this. This is magic in a bottle. I can't tell you enough at home how beautiful the results are. You can see our beautiful model here. You see the before and after. Very, very real, very natural. Jeez. No orange, no streaking. The scent is intoxicating. And this is how you use it. When you get it home, you press firmly on the actuator. Well, there's our model. Press firmly. There's a little safety seal in here. You want to unlock it just to get that little spray going. Hold it away about 10 to 12 inches and let the microfine mist do the work for you.
Oh, it smells so good, Salvatore.
It smells amazing, isn't it?
Oh, I love that fragrance.
That's Privet Bloom scent. Don't worry about the white, your linens, your bedding, your sheets. You can literally spray in full confidence, face and body, no rub application. So we're going to spray Haley's face. You want to pull the hair back slightly, close your eyes and your mouth, hold it away about 10 to 12 inches, and spray in a circular motion. That's it. That's it. What's beautiful about this product, you have full control. So you can layer it on. It dries in a flash. If you do spray close, if you get it home and you spray close and you get a little dripping, it's okay. Don't panic. Just rub it in, then you have to wash your hands afterwards. But it's really meant to hold it away about 10 to 12 inches and spray in full confidence. You can layer it on. It was formulated for all skin types, Amy. So depending if you're fair skin, light skin, have sensitive skin, it's for all skin types. It dries in a flash. I like to apply 2-3 coats because I like that really bronze look.
Yeah, me too.
Look at this before and after.
But see, look at that brown. It's a brown. I sprayed myself last week. A lot of you were commenting on Facebook on what was I using. Isn't this beautiful?
Look at how natural.
That's the whole thing. Everybody gets a gorgeous customized color. There is no weird burnt orange smell. There's no weird look to your skin. It masks all the imperfections. And we have a couple minutes in this presentation where you get 2 of these. They're normally $36 to $40 a piece. You get 2. That should be $80 right there. And you also get the organic natural aloe. It's that beautiful hydrating continuous mist as well. So don't forget, it's $13.30. We take every major credit card here at HSN. This is the #1 luxury self-tanner.
#1 luxury self-tanner. We use an ingredient called erythrulose. It's an organic fermented red raspberry. That's the ingredient that balances out the tan, makes it really natural without that blotchiness. It's literally conditioning. It's not looks like it's conditioning your skin. It is conditioning your skin. It's very hydrating. It leaves a nice sheen on your skin. I mean, I did my hands this morning, and I'm embarrassed to show you because I have some little age, some sunspots going on. We all have that. But this is the perfect time of year to cover those age spots up. And it's that easy. You can literally spray it upside down, get behind your leg.
Oh yeah, you can get your back, ladies.
Your back.
Yeah, upside down, this nozzle works 360 degrees. So up, sideways, backwards, whichever way you want to hold it. It is the easiest can, isn't it?
It's magic in a bottle. I'm not joking when I say magic in a bottle. You will see what I'm saying is so true when you get it home. Watch me do my face.
Okay.
Well, what do we have? We have something on the screen? The ingredients?
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
Here, let's talk about your ingredients, because you really are skincare meeting tanning.
Correct,
Okay.
absolutely. So we have aloe extracts, organic aloe, sodium PCA, the erythrulose, like I mentioned, is all organic. It's a fermented red raspberry that balances out the tan, brings moisture into the skin, and just makes it uniform and non-blotchy. So you don't have that yucky orange streakiness like in the past.
I know. And you could spray this, let it dry, get in your white sheets, put on a white dress. You could spray this in your white dress or your white towel. It doesn't matter. This is not one of those products that stains white. It's unlike anything you've tried before, unless you've been to Nordstrom's, the Ritz-Carlton spas sell them. I tell you, but you're paying $40, $36, right, per can.
Yeah, per can. You
this
could
is
go
a
to
twofer.
Yeah, that's right.
And you get the aloe spray with it. So I want to point out, it's not just the one can. And I don't have my Facebook. I'll grab it real quick. I just want to show, this is everything that you're getting here. So that's why we're very busy now. There's 1,800 left, that's it. So again, 36, 36, or 40, 40. So roughly about $75. And then you're also going to receive that beautiful aloe continuing mist. So again, it's safe tanning. It's the finest tan. It's the #1 luxury self-tanner that we've got for you here today. So thank you to all of our girls. Right now we're getting social on HSN's Facebook page. Thank you, Chrissy. Casey wants to know, are these full sizes? Yes, they are full sizes. Chrissy wants to know, can we use this on the face? Absolutely. Julie, welcome. Helen, late to the party. That's okay. We're glad you're here. And Renee is back. Everybody's here. But I think the one thing we should point out is that you really bring to us the ultimate in tanning. It's the best of the best in luxury.
The best of the best. Someone just mentioned, can you use it on your face? Absolutely in your face. Close your eyes, close your mouth, pull your hair back, give it a nice spritz, let it dry. It dries on a flash. I'm going to show you right now. Look, close your eyes and your mouth. In a circular motion, that's it. It dries, let it dry, go ahead with a second coat. Within 2 to 3 hours, the tan will start to develop like any other self-tanner. It's the DHA in there with the, that works with the proteins in your skin, and the tan will start to develop. Within 4 to 6 hours, you have this beautiful golden bronze tan. This is beautiful Barbara, and Barbara is very tan on this side, and she has. But
I feel your pain, Barbara. I know.
Look at Barbara. She has mature skin that has, you know, sunspots and some age spots, and you can see. Look
Barbara
how
was never in the sun. I know. I hear you, Barbara. I know.
But
I know.
look how even out, and look how not only her skin looks hydrated, it looks very conditioned. It is conditioned.
It's just, you know what I love? It's just Barbara better. You know, it's just all of us better. Whenever you've got a self-tanner, it hides those imperfections. But the most important thing is, it's not just hiding the imperfections. It's this beautiful, youthful bronze color that you get today. That's what's so gorgeous about this. And you get 2 cans, and you get the hydrating mist. Only if you're ordering for our beauty report. This is Salvatore's only show. This is it. He came in from the Hamptons.
From the Hamptons. We can't make this product fast enough.
No, I know we
sell out, Amy, right?
Every time he's here.
Every show. Stock up, get 2, 3 cans. I can't get enough of it. It's going to be addicting.
Because it's simple.
Yeah.
It's simple, and it looks so realistic. It's not, you know, so many self-tanners don't look realistic, or they dehydrate your skin.
Right.
If you ever put one on and it's so dry on your skin feels like it's gonna crack the next day. Yeah. This is super hydrating. You've got luxury, skin-loving ingredients inside of this in the most beautiful, what he calls privet bloom. Let's talk about that fragrance.
Oh, the privet scent, it's amazing. It's intoxicating. It's this beautiful, thick green privet hedge. There are some of the notes up there. Lily of the valley, white hyacinth. We have some jasmine, blue plum, beautiful, crisp, clean scents, notes in there. It will just take you to the Hamptons. We're bringing the Hamptons to you. Trust me, it's really beautiful.
Okay, we've got about, what, 3 minutes or sell out? Whatever happens first, ladies. So if you are someone right now and you know you should not be in the sun, but you're saying, you know what, I can't wear short shorts, or let alone shorts of any type, Bermuda or short shorts, or heaven forbid, I'm not even putting on that bathing suit. This is the easiest and the fastest way, because you'll develop this tan in a couple of hours. Oh.
Look at how even the skin looks. Look how beautiful. Look at that. Very hydrating. The skin looks very conditioned. It is conditioned. Look at that. With all the natural ingredients that are in here, it just gives a beautiful...
Look at the muscle tone. Look at the leg just looks a little more toned.
Very toned.
Oh.
And don't be afraid...
Fake muscles. Muscles in a can.
Muscles in a can. Oh, that's a good one.
That's what I want. I want some muscles in a can.
Absolutely. And look, I'm going to spray
eat.
just to show you that you can spray in full confidence. I'm spraying my shirt. Look at that.
Look at that.
It doesn't stain. So you could spray right before you go to bed at night, and don't worry about your linens, your bedding, your sheets. Don't worry about staining anything. It doesn't stain. It reacts with the proteins in your skin only.
All right, Jessica Ross, can you use this during pregnancy? We always recommend that you check with the doctor while you're pregnant using any products for your skin.
Sure.
And then Andrea wants to know, please ask about the rehydrating mist. Yes, the mist comes with it. Let me show everybody, again, before this does sell, I'll be quick.
The aloe?
Oh, so sorry. The aloe, if you want to talk about the aloe, because
aloe is a beautiful product.
This is what you received, 2 of these. And Andrea, yes, it should come right now if you're ordering this with the mist. So the item number for this is 621407. There is a duo on hsn.com that does not come with the mist for the same price. So today's the duo, and you also get the organic aloe. So it's all included today. Lisa wants to know on Facebook,
hi, Lisa.
How often can I reapply this? Because I usually do 2 coats first.
You do 2 coats. I do 3 coats. You have control over it, so it's whatever you're comfortable with. Some people like to go darker. Some people like to have a medium tone. I like to go dark, so I do 2-3 coats. And that's it. Your knuckles, your hands, your knees, those hard to reach places in the past, you'd have to worry about them. Look at my knuckles. Natural.
I love
how natural that is.
All right, everybody wants to know how often do you need to reply? Whenever you want to. What about sensitive skin? Yes, because it's not one of those where you're wiping the product directly onto the skin. It's a sprayed effect. So again, it's not something that's super heavy on the skin here. Chrissy Chris wants to model for you. She loves this tanning product so much.
Christy, come on.
Christy, I know.
I know.
It is something that I think that every woman wants is a healthy glow to their skin. And so often we all get burned. Today, when we're talking about luxury, because in the luxury market of skincare, meaning tanning, this is #1. This is the best in the luxury market for $39.90. And you get 2 cans and the tanning mist.
2 cans, and you get the aloe spray today. It is magic in a bottle. Everybody looks healthy, younger, youthful, with a beautiful tan. This is the time of year you're wearing your shorts and that beautiful sundress, and you just want your legs, and you just want to look glowy. You know, who doesn't want to look beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. Now Barbara's got 2 coats on. We gave Barbara 2 coats, so you can see the difference, right?
And it lasts about a week, or depending on how often you shower, right?
It lasts about a week, depending on how often you shower, absolutely. In the can, I get a week, sometimes 2 weeks out of it, depending on where I'm using it, how much I'm using it, so it's...
I don't know. Before, married, I had to spray all over. Now that I'm married, it's just arms and legs, just limbs. That's all you get. That's all we need to tan, right? Well, you're young, okay. I just do the face, the arms, and the legs. That's it. Okay, we've got we are very busy. This is a popular item.
Wow.
We'll keep you updated when it does sell out. Almost 1,000 of these now ordered. So thank you again, Salvatore.
Amazing.
What a great deal.
What a great show. Oh my God, enjoy. You're gonna love